Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fabulous Faith, and today we're going to be talking about everything natural hair as it pertains to your natural hair care regimen or your routine. So let's get right into it. I'm excited about this one. So I get a lot of messages or just people who see me out in public and say, I love your natural hair, like what do you do to it? I can never get my natural hair to look like that, or I don't know where to start, like I want to go natural but I don't know what products to use, where to start, what to do. Girl, I got you. Okay, today I'm going to be sharing just some general steps of where you can start and how you can kind of build your natural hair routine. And once you kind of get used to and familiar with your own natural hair, then you can kind of customize and kind of rotate out products and stuff based off this routine. But I just want to kind of help you build a foundation for your natural hair care routine, so let's get into it. So first up, when it comes to your natural hair care routine, I definitely recommend that you find a day of the week that you can set aside time to wash your hair. I wash my hair on a weekly basis unless it's in a protective style or I have a mini twist where I might stretch it to 2 weeks. But when I'm just wearing my natural hair wash and goes, a twist out or something like that, I am washing my hair on a weekly basis. For one, I notice a tremendous difference in the longevity of my styles when I start off on a fresh, clean scalp and do this on a weekly basis. But number two as well, I do deal with psoriasis of the scalp, so I do have some flare-ups where I do get a little dry, flaky scalp and some red inflammation. So I just want to make sure I'm taking the extra mile to really protect my scalp. But washing your hair and doing your hair care routine on a weekly basis can really build a foundation and you can see results. Pick a day out of the week. I recommend weekly that you can wash your hair, set aside to do your hair, do your natural hair care routine to really thrive and really see results in your longevity of your hairstyles, the health of your hair, your scalp, etc. I really recommend once a week. So I typically do it on a Saturday or Sunday, just on the weekend, whichever day works best for me. But I definitely recommend that you pick whatever day it is that works best for you and stick to it. And I feel like you will truly notice results in your hair care routine. So that's my first little tidbit, anything. But let's get into what products I kind of recommend to kind of really help build your natural hair care routine. So first up is shampoo. Shampoo. I don't know who told people that you don't need shampoo in your routine, but baby, you do. Shampoo is literally the foundation for your hair to be clean, you to start on a clean scalp, have a clean slate. I don't know, co-washing, I don't do that. Shampoo, I definitely recommend shampoo. It just really, like when you go and take a shower, maybe you need to be cleansing your skin, you need to do that for your hair and your scalp as well. That's why I recommend doing it on a weekly basis. But it's two types of shampoos that I'm going to talk about, and I kind of learned this along the way as well. So the first shampoo I recommend doing this 1 to 2 times a month is a clarifying shampoo. I have this one, Honey Fresh. It's by TPH. It's their clarifying moisture shampoo. But this one just really strips your scalp, really make sure there's no gunk, nothing left behind, no dandruff, no flakes or anything. It really just strips your hair, strips it of all the oils, just really kind of resets your hair. I feel like you need this at least 1 to 2 times a month. I learned along my natural hair journey that I was over clarifying my hair too much and not adding moisture back in, which I'm going to talk about next. But I definitely recommend a clarifying shampoo 1 to 2 times a month just to really make sure your hair is thoroughly clean. You know, you're not leaving any sweat behind from the week before, anything like that. A clarifying shampoo is just going to really reset your scalp and your hair and kind of have you ready to start your week or your hairstyle whenever you do it. So definitely recommend that you add a clarifying shampoo into your routine 1 to 2 times a month. And now I'm going to go into the next shampoo that I recommend on a weekly basis. The next step I recommend in your routine is a hydrating moisturizing shampoo. This one is going to be the one that you use on a weekly basis to make sure your hair is clean thoroughly every week, but it's also leaving your hair feeling nice, soft, hydrated, and moisturized. I really like the one from Innocence. It's their hydrating cream bath. It's a luxurious hydrating shampoo for thick, coarse, and thirsty hair. This is the one from Innocence, so I really like this one. But whichever one that you use, I definitely recommend that you look on the bottle and it says hydrating shampoo, moisturizing shampoo, as long as it's not clarifying. So a clarifying shampoo 1 to 2 times a month, and then the hydrating or moisturizing shampoo once a week. So you should be using that one 4 times a month. So like I said, those are the two kind of shampoos that I recommend, but those are definitely first steps in your natural hair care regimen or routine once you determine what day you're able to do your hair. So figure out what day you're going to wash your hair every week, and then find you a good clarifying shampoo and then a good hydrating shampoo. Now let's get into conditioners. There's two types of conditioners. There's like your deep treatment conditioner, then there's your regular like rinse out kind of quick conditioner. I typically lean more towards a deep treatment, deep conditioner, because I just noticed that works best for my hair. But once you kind of figure out your hair type, your porosity and things like that, you can kind of determine which conditioner you like working best for you. But figure out your hair type, and then that can kind of determine which conditioner you need. So I typically use like a regular conditioner when I'm kind of trying to do a faster wash day, or I don't have as much time to kind of let my conditioner sit. And when I have those type of days, I really like to go in with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's a nice repairing, nourishing, moisturizing conditioner, and it's easy for me to detangle my hair. I feel like if it's not easy for me to detangle my hair with conditioner, it's not a good product for me, because if deep conditioning and conditioning is my favorite step of my routine. I just feel like that's where my hair gets the most TLC, the most love, the most hydration, the most moisture. Conditioning is truly my favorite step, so I'm pretty critical on my conditioners, but I really like this one. It's nourishing, it's easy for me to detangle my hair, and it's quick for me to do it when I don't have extended amount of time to like let my deep conditioner sit under heat, etc. So definitely find you, even if you like both, definitely find you a regular every week kind of conditioner. And then I also recommend finding a deep conditioner. I use this one on a regular basis. It's the anti-breakage deep conditioner from Eden Body Works. It's a nice thick conditioner. It's nice and hydrated, and it leaves my hair feeling so soft. So this one I kind of leave on for maybe 10-15 minutes with a shower cap on, and then if I have time to sit under my hooded dryer, give it that extra heat so the conditioner can kind of penetrate through my hair. It just all depends, but like I said, I lean more towards a deep conditioner. I rotate mine out, but this is definitely one that I grab for a lot. But like I said, I recommend finding a kind of regular conditioner that you can kind of use quickly, and a deep conditioner or a mask or a treatment that you kind of leave in when you have time to give your hair extra TLC. But like I said, I use my deep conditioners on a weekly basis. As long as you're finding some good conditioner that detangles your hair, makes your hair feel soft and hydrated, that's all you need. Now the next step after conditioning or deep conditioning, I know it's controversial for me. The next step is not leave-in. Typically, I know after people condition their hair, they go in with the leave-in. I rarely use leave-ins. I might use them every once in a while, but leave-ins just typically don't work best for my hair. I feel like it's an added step for me that I don't notice much of a difference on my hair. Now sometimes I do use a leave-in conditioner depending on the style, like maybe if I do a twist out or something, but I rarely do twist outs or braid outs. I rarely do those, so I rarely reach for a leave-in conditioner. If you feel like you need an extra step of leave-in conditioner, there's different ones where like some are to make your hair feel soft or add a little bit more moisture before you start going in with your styling products. I don't really know about leave-ins. I just noticed I've tried a few and they don't work for me. But if you feel like you want to go in that step, definitely do some more research on leave-ins and figure out which one works best for you. I just don't feel like it's a necessary step in your natural hair routine. At least for me personally, I don't have it in my routine, so I can't speak to it that much, but I do it every once in a while, you know, like, okay. But after conditioning, you can choose to opt in or out of using a leave-in conditioner. Now the next few steps are the styling products, and I feel like these are most important. They're kind of based on what kind of style or look you're going for. So let's get into the different kind of styles and the ones that I recommend. Now for my wash and go girlies, or people who want to wear your hair in a natural state on a regular basis, I recommend that you find a good gel. Like gels are my go-to. Gels are probably my favorite styling products. I feel like they're so versatile. I can use them for a range of styles, but typically I use them for wash and goes. I really like using gels. One of my favorite gels is from Innocence. It's the I Create Hold. It's a topper gel. I just feel like this gives me the definition that I need. It locks my curls into place. It provides great shine. I just know what I'm getting when I use this product. I love using this for wash and goes. I pair it with other products, but I definitely recommend if you're looking to lean more towards wash and goes or wearing your hair in its natural state, I definitely recommend a gel. Now there can be some variation. Another type of product that you can use to wear in its natural state or other styles is like a good mousse. I really like the curl mousse from Pattern. It's nice, it's lightweight. I can use it for a wash and go. I can use it for a twist out, a braid out. You can use this for a variety of styles as well. So foams and mousses, they just kind of cater to different things. So a gel is a product that has a stronger hold. It's kind of set your curls in place. It's going to lock them in place. They're not going to move. They're going to kind of be firm. So that just kind of depends on your preference. I like that for my wash and goes and my hair, for my hair to be locked in place and firm. But if I'm going for something lighter, or if I'm going for a different style, I'll probably grab for a mousse because they're nice, they're lightweight, they won't weigh your hair down most of the time, just depending on which foam or mousse that you get. But I definitely recommend having a few mousses or foams in your routine if you can, depending on what hairstyle you're kind of gravitating more towards. So then another styling product based on what you need, I typically use this product when it comes comes to twist outs and braid outs, which I don't do as frequently, but I do them every once in a while, I like a cream. I like creams for my twist out and my braid outs. I feel like it gives my hair a nice softness that I don't typically get from a foam or mousse or a gel. I really like using the Pattern styling cream, the Palo Santo cream. This cream is underrated. Like, I don't hear enough people talking about this cream. I really like it when it comes to my twist outs and braid outs, and sometimes a wash and go every once in a while if I have the time to like let it sit. But definitely have a creamier routine if you know you want to do more twist outs, braid outs, you know, like those type of styles. I definitely recommend that you find a good cream. So that just definitely comes from trial and error experience, learning what products work best for your hair. But these are just kind of general outline, general kind of guidelines and tips for you to kind of build your routine based off what you want to achieve. And then once you learn your hair type, learn what styles you want to do on a regular basis, then you can kind of like switch up the products that I kind of recommended and find what works best for you. I love the comfort of having a routine that I can kind of like go along with, but really customize it to what I need. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you kind of have more of a general foundation if you're new to natural hair or you don't know where to start. I hope this is helpful in the sense that you can kind of pinpoint a starting place and an ending place, and then as you go along you can find what works best for you. But let me know in the comments if this was helpful, if you want me to do more videos like this, or if you want me to kind of hone in on specific shampoos, like maybe you want to know my specific shampoo recommendations or conditioners. Definitely let me know in the comment section below. But like I said, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments if you did, and I hope to see you in the next one, because over here we're fabulous, flourishing, and having fun. Bye.